All right, let's talk about how to get some bookings. First of all, I would like to show you my booking notebook. Now, what is a booking notebook? A booking notebook is just any notebook that you have at home. You'll write down a list of names of people that you know. You can scroll through your contact list in your phone. You can scroll through your Facebook list. That's what I have done here. So as I was scrolling through my Facebook list of people that I know, I started writing down people that I know and I like. Now, as I'm looking at these lists, at this list of names, I decided to circle some of the people that I think should host a party with me. Circled Ember's name, and I circled Ember's name because she's not on Facebook. She is a consultant for another company, but she's not on Facebook. So I want to reach out to her and tell her about this brand new platform called Squee, and that she can host a party and invite her family and friends without having to have a Facebook account. And then the last person I circled on here is Jamie. And I circled Jamie because she loves the book. So a booking notebook is simply taking some time, writing down a list of people that you know and like, and then those that you decide that you're going to ask, circle them and write down the reason why you think that they should host a party with you.